you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Madam Rose for March. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Madam Rose for March, I'm assuming it's March, just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Madam Rose, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. One thing I do want to disclaimer, if you do not know about Madam Rose, this is an adult only box. There's no telling what is going to be in here or what I will be showing you. It's very tasteful, but it is an adult only box, so I'm going to disclaimer that right now. Normally, like I said, it's very tasteful. There's one piece of lingerie with a few lifestyle items. It's a really, really good box. I think the last one I had was December. So let's see what is going to be inside of this box. I'm super excited to see. It says, "Hello, gorgeous. I have arrived. I've been waiting for you." That is so cute. So when you open up the box, it's trying to come out of that little hole there. It says SheCrafty. Has my name there now. That is such a cute little thing that they added to it now, like a unique with your name on it. That is super cute. So it says, "Baby doll SheCrafty, unbox your sexy." And the card looks like this right here. And the theme is Pink Blossom. So when you first open it up, it has a thank you sticker. Thank you for supporting our small business. And when you open it up, and that is what it looks like right there. So they always do put in all of these little rose petals. They've always been pink that I have received. So I just pull them out and I add them all together. So you never know what you'd want to do with them, if you want to decorate with them or put them on your bed or whatever. You can do whatever. So I save these because they put quite a few of them in here, but that's a really cute touch that they add the pink rose petals to it. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and start seeing what we have in here. Let's go with the first thing that I'm pulling out right here. And oh my gosh, it's a flask. There's some more petals in there. It said it's a flask. It holds 5 fluid ounces. That is just super cute. It's lips. And it's a flask. So definitely my man will not be like, let me drink out of that. I'll be like, here you go. Here's my lips. This is definitely going to be all mine. It says Flask Kisses. The stainless steel red lip flask is a must-have adult beverage accessory for a girl's night. 5-ounce red lip flask. This is valued for $18.75. That is super, super cute. And I like how it just will sit like that. So you dump in 5 fluid ounces of alcohol in there, or whichever your beverage is that tickles your fancy. And you close it all up and you have a flask. That is so cute. So we have a flask. Again, this is valued for $18.75, and it says that it is 5 fluid ounces that it holds. That's super, super cute. Please drink responsibly. Stainless steel volume flask. It says 3 fluid ounces on here, but it says holds 5 fluid ounces. So I'm not sure, but it'll hold the size of this. I don't know if it's considered 5 or 3 that it says on the inside, but there's that. Wash thoroughly in warm soapy water before use. Do not keep alcohol in for longer than 3 days in the flask. Storing beverage with an acid content like fruit juices can cause damage to the lining of the flask. So just make sure you're not putting anything bad in there that can eat through the lining. So that is super cute. That is really, really cute. So we have a flask. So then the next thing I'm pulling out is this right here. It says G-Spot. And it says it's a Dolphin Vibrator. Dolphin-shaped G-Spot stimulator hits the right spots. Valued for $24.50. And let's see. When you take it out of the packaging, that is what it looks like right there. You open this, put in 1 battery, and you are good to go to be hitting your right spots. There you go. So this is the Dolphin Vibrator, valued for $24.50. And then now we have is the lingerie item, you guys. I'm actually really excited to see what this looks like. It's all pink and it's tied together. So let me get this up. Oh, no, it's not. It was just stuck. Okay. Oh, whoa, we got pieces here. Okay, so what is this thing here? let me see what it says that this is. Pink Blossom. Spring is here with this high quality, bright pink lace 3-piece panty, bra, and garter belt set with a hollow strap design adds sexy elements. Valued for $37.99. This does feel really nice quality. I give them that. And it is a little stretchy. Hold on. Okay. So let me hold this right. Their lingerie items are super cute. They're so comfortable and they go anywhere from sizes small to 5X. Okay, so now that I figured this out, this is the garter belt part. So this will go down to hold up your stockings. Super, super cute. So you have that part. Then you have the G-string, which here is the thong, the thong, thong, thong. And that's the back. It has a little T shape. That's super cute. So there's the thong. And then the bra, the top looks like, oops, hold on, the tag. Okay, so here is the top. Very, very cute. So there's the shoulders and then the top goes like that. Like that. That is super cute. And the fabric, again, it's a really nice, like thicker type feel. It does have this stretchy, it feels really nice quality. And I like that hot pink color. It's a really pretty color. So you have the bra, you have the chones, you got your J-string, and then you have your garter belt to hold up your stockings. That is super cute. And then of course you have some more of the rose petals on the bottom. So to do a recap of this March box, again, it's Pink Blossom. So there's the lingerie complete set for $37.99. You have these really cute lip flask. This is for $18.75. And then you have a G-Spot Dolphin Vibrator for $24.50. So the grand total for this box value will be right here. This will be the grand total for this entire month's box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items for this month's box? I always think this box is just so cute because not only do you always get a lingerie item, which is size exclusive, and they're just super cute. Definitely really, really neat. And it changes every single month. You get a new lingerie set and then you have some lifestyle items to go along with it. So I really love this box. I always enjoy getting this box. And yeah, so if you want a little bit more information about Madam Rose, I will let you know right now. Company's name is Madam Rose LLC, and their subscription box is called the Grand Rose. For $34.99, you will receive a lingerie set and additional lifestyle items. Fully size exclusive, offering sizes small to 5XL. Each month is a different theme. Visit our website and you can shop our individual items as well. So they have individual items you can purchase, toys, lingerie sets, lifestyle items. They have their own shop that you can purchase one-time, no commitment things as well if you don't want to go straight to the subscription box. I do have a code, which is SheCrafty. That'll get you $5 off your very first box plus one free gift in your very first box as well. The owners of Madam Rose LLC are both plus-size women who know the struggle of finding true size apparel. They are all about encouraging people to feel empowered and confident and are all about body positivity and embracing our own sexy. They want to take on the phrase, unbox your sexy. So that is it. They just want you to feel nice and good in your own skin. And yeah, I just love this box, you guys, and I love what they are trying to portray with this box as well. So you guys, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.